Welcome to my channel. In this channel I produce videos on advancing technologies, job vacancies and fellowships and scholarships from different universities, countries and organizations. In the present video I would like to talk about Swiss Research Initiative Fellowship 2021 in ETH Zurich and EPFL Switzerland. Invites applications for Swiss Research Initiative Fellowship from eligible and interested candidates. Location ETH Zurich and EPFL Switzerland. Last date to apply 31st March 2021, 23:59 hours CET. About ETH Zurich and EPFL have launched Future Food, a Swiss research initiative together with Bohler and Givaudan and Nestle, the first partners on board, to further expand research and education in the area of food, nutrition sciences. The Future Food Fellowship is a major pillar within this framework. It aims to bring together competences from academic and industrial research in the fields covered by the initiative. The overarching goal is to develop solutions that address grand challenges such as affordable nutrition and sustainable packaging. Swiss Research Initiative Fellowship. Special preference will initially be given to projects that address the following areas: plant-based nutrition, protein and beyond. Eligible examples: dairy analogs, meat analogs, sustainable proteins, technologies for wholesome raw materials, improving organoleptic properties, product functionality and nutritional aspects. Special focus on bioactives, micronutrients, healthful lipids and carbohydrates. Not eligible: projects that uniquely address proteins as such and as enriched fractions. Microbiome. Eligible examples: concrete applications. Not eligible: longer term fundamental research, climate change mitigation. Eligible examples: spot between nutrition and climate change aspects, GHGE reduction, land use, water use, etc. Holistic solutions including digital and artificial intelligence to integrate national aspects and climate change impact, that is sustainable diets in low income countries, nutrients that might be impaired by climate change as well as by a shift to lower climate impact diets. For example, plant-based diets impact on nutrient availability and absorption. Not eligible: packaging sustainability, projects that focus on GHGE reduction but neglect nutritional or technological aspects. Health nutrition for low income populations. Eligible examples: energy intake and appropriate ratio of micronutrients, protein, lipids, fibers and micronutrients at affordable prices for both developed and developing economies. Practical solutions to improve nutritional status of populations. Process and ingredient technology, enabling significant cost reduction while achieving appropriate protein, lipid and micronutrient quality and quantity. Valorization of local raw materials, development and or optimization of supply chains. Leverage of solutions across geographies. Not eligible: clinical trials, dietary intake research, nutrient profiling, sustainable process and food design. Eligible examples: development of food structures, modeling of flavor profiles and their implementation, modeling of stability, formulation of new food products, etc. Processes to extract and or produce active ingredients, plant cell agriculture, efficiency improvement of fermentation processes, etc. Not eligible. Clinical trials, dietary intake research, nutrient profiling, consumer apps, dietary recommendations, manufacturing technologies, or optimization. For all subsequent calls, the topics for such research projects will be announced on a yearly basis. Location: ETH Zurich and EPFL Switzerland. Eligibility qualification: to submit a proposal within the framework of Future Food Initiative, the following eligibility criteria must be fulfilled. Citizens of any nationality may apply. There are no restrictions concerning age. Applicants must hold a doctorate or will complete their doctorate until 30th September succeeding the interview date. Applicants with completed doctorate must have obtained it a maximum of 3 years prior to the submission of deadline. Applicants must not have been affiliated for studies, research, employment, or other activities with or without payment at either ETH Zurich or EPFL during the 12 months that immediately precede the submission deadline. Applications will not be forwarded for evaluation if applicants already hold or have held a faculty equivalent position, example assistant professor, or in a higher education institution in Switzerland or abroad. Applications and supporting documentation must be written in English. The prospective research project must also comply with the applicable ethics regulations and adhere to the principles of research integrity, valid. The host institution, ETH Zurich or EPFL. Relevant ethical, legal, and social considerations should be included in the proposal. Find the full guidelines here and the fast facts for applicants here. Job or position description. The Future Food Fellowship is awarded in the form of a 3-year research contract. At the end of the second year, the review is conducted to evaluate the project, its continued originality and productivity of the fellow. During the 3 years, the fellows are engaged to seek faculty or industry positions. Success in doing so will not necessarily result in termination of the fellowship. The decision will be made by the decision board on the recommendation of the evaluation board. The main criteria include the project proposal's strategic fit to the topics specified in the call, the project's relevance and practical impact with respect to the industry partners, scientific excellence assured in terms of originality, novelty of research objective and or research plan, suitability or quality of research approach, work method, competence and experience of the applicant in the field of proposed research, added value of collaboration between the applicant and the host professor including industry partners if applicable, feasibility of the project with respect to the resources, management and organization. How to apply? Full proposals must be submitted electronically using the online submission tool. Please make sure to adhere to the page limits assigned to each section of the proposal. Full proposals must be submitted electronically using the online submission tool. The link to the submission tool will be activated here on 15th January 2020. Please make sure to adhere to the page limits assigned to each section of the proposal. The proposal should consist of a letter of motivation including a statement explaining why the planned research is original and a justification for why the candidate is qualified for the fellowship and the proposed research, including a brief description of the candidate's research achievements, maximum 2 pages. An extract of research proposal, maximum 200 words. So you can find more information in the description box. Thank you for watching my video. If you are watching my video for the first time, you can subscribe my channel. If this information is useful for you, you can like the video and share the video. And if you are watching, you can click the bell icon. Wish you all the success. May God bless you.